Hope you're doing well today. Hope my head's not cut off in this clip here. Let me turn that up just a wee smidgen there. Just got done filming some video for the throttle body install, and figured it'd be a good time to maybe take you along on a little ride with me. What do you think? Quick rundown again. You probably all know me, and if you don't, welcome. But this is my 2002 Jeep Wrangler TJ. It's got the 4.0 straight 6 with 195,396 miles on it. As far as I know, it's the original motor, the original NV3550, original transfer case. The rear axle is a Ford 8.8 with discs. Front is original Dana 30, and they're both stuffed with 410 gears. I'm running 35 by 1250 by 15 BF Goodrich KM3s. And all the online forums will tell you that this ratio, the 410s and 35s, are terrible. Well, I'm here to tell you that the forums are wrong, because it is not terrible. I can pull hills in 5th gear. I can peel out. Not that I really want to, but it's got plenty of power. 456 maybe be better, or 488, yes. But for the cost to re-gear, for the way it drives and the way it handles, it's not worth it. So I figure what we'll do is maybe take you on a little drive here. It won't be a very long video. My seatbelt's a little squeaky, so hopefully you don't hear that. And we'll just shift through the gears and maybe hear some exhaust and see what we can find out. Ba-bump, ba-bump. Everybody's out sunbathing today. Alright, let's take her out on the road. Alrighty, well, thank you all for joining me here today. Just wanted to take a minute and shift through the gears and just let you know that this Jeep has been a real joy to drive. Drives nice and straight and true, no issues. Handles like a dream so far. So let me just shut up and let you hear the exhaust a little bit. Now they'll tell you online that you need 456 or 488s to run these tires. Again, there's 5th gear, half throttle, picking up 45, 50 right there. You don't need those gears. You really don't. Maybe off-road I'll regret that statement, but you really don't. won't bore you anymore. We'll cut this video off here. Just wanted to say thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Happy Jeeping.